I'm gonna say this. I just got back on my old company. Yeah. Y'all, I know some of y'all got some more time on recently with this company, but I got hours. I got jobs I didn't put in work. And I'm coming as a fucking lead. And if I can't watch my foreman, how can I lead y'all? So if I need y'all to go get some shit for me, some material, hey, I need y'all to go help out. Do something. You know, I'm trying to follow what my fucking foreman is doing. If it's brown nose and shit, hey, I'm already black. What the fuck else is it gonna? It's gonna fucking cover me up some more shit so I can smell like the shit. Remember that.